Hi Jennifer, my name is Darren. Just want to cover a few things here real quick in this short video. So this is your business website here, Keith Green Construction Inc. I want to cover how much content you have on here real quick. Didn't look like you had a super lengthy website here. So when Google's ranking a website, they want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And the biggest reason that you guys want the content on your website is because you want to be able to plug organic keywords in. And let's see, like Portland roofing, that would be a organic keyword, right? So you have this picture saved as Portland roofing, Portland roofers, Keith Construction Inc. The more content that you have on your web page, the more of those that you can fit in here. And that's pretty important because that's what brings clients to your website. And we'll get more into that in just a minute. So this is a competitor in your same niche, Guy Run Roofing. So let's look at what they've got going on. They've got a little bit of content here, and like I said, you could put those keywords behind your pictures, which you had that going on. You have a little bit of content here as well. The biggest thing is if you don't want a super lengthy website, right? You want to keep it somewhat short. You can use these little drop-down menus and have some content in here. And you can still plug your organic keywords in there as well. And that's a really nifty tool to use. So something to keep in mind if you want to keep your page kind of short, but still have that content on there. So let's hop into Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool I use that allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website. So this is your trust. So you have a 26 trust here. You have a 4.4 power, and you have 1.21 backlinks. And a backlink is just a link from one website pointing back to your website. And then you have 211 referring domains, which is similar to backlinks. And this is what's feeding your ratio here. And not all backlinks and referring domains are equal. Some are better than others. We can talk more about that later. You have 946 organic keywords. And out of those words that you're ranking for, you're getting 75 organic traffic, and that traffic's turning into 93 value. So let's take a look at these, because that's quite a bit of keywords actually. Keith Green Construction, that one, it's good to rank for your business name, right? But people aren't going to be able to find you on this keyword unless they actually know you. So let's see what other keywords you got going on here. So like Dry Rock Repair Portland, this keyword right here, people plug this in and they'll find you in the 5th position. There's about 30 people per month plugging this into Google. So the ideal situation here is to be ranking for keywords that get high volume, and then you want to be in the highest position possible. So the number 1, 2, or 3 position for every keyword that you're ranking for. Let's look at your competitors' backside here. So Ahrefs again for Portland roofing. Excuse me. So they have a 33 trust and a 14 power. They have 1,000 backlinks and 143 referring domains. So again, this here is what's feeding this ratio. The ideal ratio would be like a 33 and a 33. These both go up to 100, by the way, but a 1-to-1 ratio is what you're shooting for here. They have 648 organic keywords, and those out of those 648, they're getting about 1,800 organic traffic per month, and that traffic's turning into about almost 27,000 traffic value. So let's look at this real quick. So they're ranking for Portland roofers, right? Portland roofer, Portland roof, roofing Portland, all different variations of almost the same word, right? Portland roofers is getting about 3,500 traffic, people searching it every single month. So 3,500 people looking up Portland roofers every month, and they're ranking for the number 1 position. So this is the ideal situation, right? Portland roofers is getting searched a lot, and they're in the number 1 position. So that's the key here is when you're looking at yours, you want to be in the number 1 position for all the keywords that you're wanting to rank for as well. And let's just go real quick back to your overview here. You have 946 organic keywords that you're getting ranked for. These guys have 648. So almost 300 more you guys are ranking for, but they're pulling in about 1,800 viewers a month, where you're only pulling in 75. So my assumption here is you guys have a lot of organic keywords, but they're not getting ranked high enough for people to find your website, and that's definitely something that you would want to look into here, because you have the organic keywords already. You just need to get them ranked up, and you could be seeing the same amount of numbers that these guys are. So with that being said, I'll close it out here. If you have any questions or want to talk more, I'd love to hear from you. Have a good one. Bye bye.